how to make every milkshake. Hey guys, as from the intro you saw, today I'm going to show you how to make every milkshake ever. No, this is not the lemonade video right over here on the corner. It is actually a serious tutorial. To the bare bones of making any milkshake, there are three parts. They are the milk or the base, the fruit, in our case it's banana, and banana is the default, so free to use banana. But you don't have to use really banana, you can use anything ever. And the next thing is the sweetener. This is optional because banana is actually pretty sweet, but I like some extra sugar. You can use brown sugar, any sugar, but I like my normal plain crystallized sugar in my milkshakes. Okay, so if those are just the bare bones of a milkshake, there are so many more items that you can add.
We have our milkshake here.
Okay, so there are lots of berries. I'm very sure you've heard of berries. So you can order these berries online if you're on a diet. Berry powders to be exact. Stuff like acai, goji berry, and maki. All of these are very healthy, and I really recommend them if you're on a diet.
And share if you want.
So now I'm gonna show you how to make two types of milkshakes. One is a healthy acai banana, and the second one is a junky Nutella banana milkshake. So let's get into it. Let's start with our healthy acai banana milkshake. So first we have a blender here, to which we're gonna add a good amount of milk. Really, you just eyeball this depending on how much you need. Just dump that in. So I don't need much, we're gonna add that much. You know what? In fact, let's go a little crazy. I'm gonna add a good amount. Now for this recipe, you can just cut up plain bananas and use them, but I've frozen mine for extra flavor, and I really suggest you guys do too. Just cut them up, put them on a plate and freeze them for an hour. So add your bananas. Really, one banana for 2 to 3 glasses, depending on how big you use your glasses. So I'd say 3 cups, 1 glass. I have no idea what the measurements are, just dolloping these bananas. Now we're gonna add some sweetener or sugar. Really just add 1 tablespoon or even less. I'm adding half a tablespoon because banana and acai will be too sweet. So half a tablespoon, 3/4 a tablespoon. And no, just really eyeball it. Eyeball basically means depending on your taste, you add what you need. So now our acai, the main part and the healthiest thing in our milkshake. Now I really depends on how much you're going to use it. You can buy this off of Amazon for not too much. So you're just going to take as much as you need. This can get very strong. I'm taking not even a heaping tablespoon, I'd say 1 teaspoon. I'm just adding that there. Put our acai back, add our cap on, switch on our beautiful blender, blend. And that's how you make a hearty, healthy acai milkshake. To make the best chocolate smoothie, I want to show you guys how easy it is and how simple it is. Even a 9-year-old could do it. That's why I'm calling my most trusted 9-year-old who recently broke his arm, Raghav. If a kid with a broken arm can do it, so can you. Okay, so Raghav, grab your hand.
You guys have 2 arms. So
Add a little bit of milk. Can you hold the milk? Just a little bit, dude. You're the only one eating, drinking this or eating. Just pour it. Go ahead.
do I go crazy or just
Go a little
I
crazy.
think that's enough.
Okay. So
You guys
everything.
may think that it's not much, but it's kinda a lot for me.
Yeah, you need more. So just pour it. Yeah, that should be good.
Yeah.
So put the milk back, put
Choco milky.
Now what we're gonna do is, see these bananas, I want you to transfer them inside.
Boop. Boop. That's so satisfying.
It's true. The sound of the bananas hitting the bottom of
Comment
the
down
blender.
below if you find it satisfying.
Just
These are a lot.
while we're young, Raghav, take 2.
Okay, fine.
Just dump the whole thing in.
Fine. Eat.
There. Now that you've added your bananas,
Oh, no, I got a
you
banana hand.
have to add the star of the show. A spoonful
Nutella.
of Nutella. Add it. Add 1 spoonful.
This is all of it.
All of it. So,
Bro,
how about
You
this?
should've
I'll
thought-
help you here. I'll help you
you
here.
thought twice before having frozen Nutella. Do it.
Now that the Nutella is in, everything else is in. Raghav, hold it and pull the switch. Hold it and pull the switch.
How
You know what?
will I-
I'll pull the switch for you. And that is how we made this chocolate milkshake. Okay, so now for the taste test, we have our milkshake here against Raghav. So let me just pour this hearty milkshake. And now for the taste test, drink it.
Banana-y and chocolatey.
Not bad. Okay, so that's all for today's video. Do consider subscribing, like this and share if you want to teach anyone how to make any milkshake they like. That's all for today's video. Peace. I'll have to trim a lot of the stuff.